Hello and welcome back. Today I'm sharing a simple, comforting breakfast. Creamy banana oats. It's gentle, filling and perfect for a slow, nourishing morning. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Oats, which will grind into flour, 1 ripe banana, and water or milk of your choice. I start by cooking hot flour by stirring gently to keep it smooth. Once it begins to thicken, I add the mashed banana because it adds sweetness and makes the porridge extra creamy. I'm stirring on low heat until the oats are smooth and silky. This texture should be smooth, warm and comforting. Serve warm just as it is or with a light sprinkle of cinnamon. This breakfast is simple, gentle and satisfying. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy easy nourishing recipes like this, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one.